Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can claim your player card if you were on the Omega team on in the Alpha versus Omega conflict for the Valorant challenge. To claim it, you have to make sure you did play three game modes while using the bandit. So to then claim your code, go to your profile and go and select My FTW profile. Scroll down and select your player card. Get the code and you're just going to copy all, or just press this, I guess. I'm just going to press copy all. Go to this area, so go to Riot Games and redeem. I'll put the link in the description box. Or you can also redeem it in game. I'm just going to paste it and redeem it. Okay, redeem code. And hold on. Most players will receive their content instantly. Okay, so if it's not in your account, it may take up to 24 hours, but it could be there already. Let me actually check and I'll be right back. To check if your card is there, just go to the collection area and go to your player cards. And I have mine right here. So cool, just equip it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. One more thing before I end this video, if it's not in your profile yet, just be patient. It took me a while to get the code, like a day maybe. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.